What's going on, guys? We got yet another beautiful summer day out here. It's hot, as you can see by my hat. I'm dying. But today we're gonna do something cool. We're gonna put on a lip on the C6 splitter lip, whatever you want to call it. It's a hydrocarbon, so it's not really carbon fiber. I mean, I'm not gonna spend $700 on a carbon fiber lip that's going to get wrecked from constantly going in and out of my driveway. So I decided to buy one, so I guess we'll get that put on. Pretty much it's gonna be a simple install. Yeah, so let's just get started. First things first, obviously you want to jack up the car, put it on jack stands, and then from there we'll test fit everything and we'll go. So let's get started. Okay, so the lip attaches pretty easily. I mean, it already comes with pre-cut holes. The only thing that sucks is that, oh wow, look at this. I guess if you daily drive, you're constantly rubbing. Alright, I don't think I could cut it. Maybe I could cut it, but I don't think I can move it right now, so I'll just leave it like that. But anyway, back to the lip. So, the C6 comes with already like these little, let me see, clip things, I guess. Let me see if I can remove it to show you guys. Probably not that one. Oh, right here, perfect. Nope. All right. Well, anyway, it comes with these little clip things, and basically it screws into there. The screw that I'll show you later screws right into that. Now, the only issue that I was having is that my bracket broke, so it has like this little line over here that holds on to. So I had the original lip, and I scraped the crap out of it or hit something. I think I might have hit a curb, I'm not sure, and it broke. So I just basically get a rig these over here, and I'm just going to drill holes right there, and I guess hope for the best. I guess. I mean, I also gotta drill the hole onto the lip to make sure that they match, and then from there it should hold on. I guess we'll see. I'm also gonna put some 3M on the back of it to make sure that it grabs. To make sure that it grabs here, or I think it's over here. I don't know. It's gonna grab somewhere. It's just gonna be for like extra safety, I guess, for support. So, oh look, actually, there's already some 3M that I forgot to take off right there. But yeah, you get the idea. I'm gonna make sure I heat it up better this time, because I did not heat it up last time, and then comes out like caca. See? So alright then. So as you can see, it's the ZR1 style, and oh man, it really comes with the pre-drilled holes. I just have to drill new ones to match the holes on the bumper. But yeah, so it's hydro dipped. As you can see, they kind of messed up the weave here a little bit. Whatever, I don't really care. But on the bottom, it's plastic. I mean, it looks pretty good. I can't really complain. But look, it even gives you kind of like the outline to put the, what do you call it, the 3M tape. I'm assuming that's what it's for. You guys can see a little bit better. I guess we'll see after I put it on. I mean, last time I did it, because I had it before, I put 3M here and there was like a gap on the bumper, which I hate. But alright, I don't know. I guess we'll give it a try and go from there. Okay, so we have to match the holes. A little bit tough, but here's one secret. I'm sure many of you, some of you might know about, many of you probably don't. But you get some toothpaste. It's not sponsored by Crest, I wish. My teeth are kind of yellow. And this is more than just cleaning PlayStation 1 CDs. You get some toothpaste, right? Follow me. You go underneath, right? And you just put some toothpaste where, oh, come on, stick there. You know what? It's a good thing this toothpaste is getting thrown out, otherwise this would be kind of gross. But basically put it right there, right where you want your hole. Alright, I'm gonna have to put you guys down, hold on. Alright. So like I was saying, you get some toothpaste, you put it where you want your holes to be, right? Then you put the lip on it, and the idea is that the toothpaste will touch where the lip is, obviously, and then from there you just drill it, and hopefully it matches. I guess we'll try it out now and we'll go from there. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty skeptical about it because it was my first time doing that. I didn't think it would actually match, but it did. So now I know, I guess, where I have to drill the hole. So I guess we'll do that, and then we'll put the lip on, bolt everything down, and see how it looks at the end. so that took longer than I expected, so I just cut it for you guys. Damn. Alright, well, here's what it looks like. As you see, I split up into many little pieces. Normally I would like heat it up with the heat gun, make sure it's nice and sticky, but I don't really care. It's so hot outside, I just want to get this done. Sorry for the bad news, but normally, yeah, you should definitely heat it up, make sure it's nice, warm, sticky, and then stick it on there. It'll get better, I don't know, penetration, it'll grab better, activate more chemicals, I don't know. But now it's time to put this on with the bolts, so then we can finish. So let's get started. Yeah. Most of the bolts on. One good cool thing is that it comes with these holes, so you could insert. It also brings other screws, so you could like just screw it in there. I did forget that to drill the holes in the bumper. So now I'm just going to get my torque wrench, well, electric wrench, and just full send it and hope for the best, I guess. Put the lip on, did the best I could. Put the lip on, did the best I could. It looks like it's pretty good. I did have to put on some self-tapping screws. Actually, a bunch of them. This one didn't want to go in all the way, but I mean, it doesn't look bad from the outside. I guess I'll lower and we'll take a better look at it now. Alright, so there we have it. Fitment's okay. I mean, it does have a little bit of gap, as you can see. I mean, it's better than before, but it's not that bad. The sides I had to bolt. We'll put on 2 more self-tapping screws, as you saw, because it had a pretty big gap, and I hate that. So whatever. Yeah, just word of advice: don't ever say a quick install, because it's never quick. Could it be done like half an hour? Maybe, but I mean, there's always something goes wrong and whatever, so whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much how it looks. I'm happy with that thing. Looks pretty badass. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.